Yes, people, welcome back. I'm currently at the strip right now, so I'm a bit ahead in the video. I'm gonna do the intro here. About a week ago, I had an intro, but I don't know what happened. Either the wire wasn't plugged in properly, or I don't know, something. The audio was fucking mangled, severely boosted, I couldn't say. Here we are. Now, one thing I've realized is I've been trying to think for the past couple of weeks. How can I top the last video? I can't. Simply put it, I can't. Without another bike meet, another bike ride, I can't do anything. All the bike rides that I have seen are currently in London area. I've not seen anything around Manchester. I've not seen anything around Sheffield area. I've not seen anything around Peterborough area, unless I'm not looking in the right places. If anyone in the comments knows, or there's a bike meet happening anytime soon, please let me know, because as of right now, I couldn't make it to the one in London. I'm saving up for a trip to Switzerland. I need to save some money. Yeah, tonight, by the looks of things, there might be a car meet happening. I'm gonna go to it. Only downside is I have still lost my fucking ND filters. I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. All right, let me talk about this bike today. All right, there's been some bullshit going on with this bike today. I mean, this whole fucking week. One, I took it to the bike garage to get an upgrade done on it and to get it serviced. Now, unfortunately, they've done a shit job of it. The servicing part, I think it's all right, but they fucked up my speedo on my rear ABS basically. So there's a wire right here. They just fucking broke it and said it was already didn't look good, so it just kind of popped out by itself, they said, which I call bullshit, because I've had no single problems with it since I've got the bike actually. So I don't know, they're chatting shit. I've jet washed it around that area as well. It's been more than fine. I mean, fuck, I've even dropped the bike, you know what I mean, and it was perfectly fine. So yeah, they just severed the connection somehow, changing or checking the pads. I'm not sure what actually happened, but that's what they told me. So thankfully I got a mate to help me fucking put it back together. We soldered it back on. He put heat shrink on it as well and some hot glue, and it looks perfectly fine. It works perfectly fine. It's incredible. Now, for the 3 days that I was riding with no speedo or ABS, I can't lie, I kind of enjoyed it. I enjoyed not having ABS. That shit is actually quite fun. Brakes are a lot more responsive. Obviously, they can lock up. I've locked up this rear wheel about twice whilst having ABS off. You know what? It's getting too warm. This week's been fucking ridiculous with the heat. It's been incredible. Don't get me wrong, but it's been ridiculous. Like, it's to the point where I'm wearing no gear. Don't do that. Let me head to the strip. Everything works perfectly fine. And then today, literally about an hour ago, I was like, oh, you know what? I kind of want to turn ABS off. Like, I really don't like it, especially on the back wheel. So I took the whole fairings off. I ended up taking the ABS fuse, the main one. I believe it's 7.5 amps or something. But yeah, I took it out. It was on the left box, the third one down. And supposedly that turns ABS off. What I didn't take into fucking account for is it also turns off the fucking speedo again. So that's great. That's fucking great. Alright, we need to overtake this car. This is diabolical. But yeah, basically for the summer, especially whilst I'm learning how to wheelie the bike as well, I want to have ABS off. Unless it really starts pissing it down for 1 week, then I'll put it back on. I don't care. I need to figure out another way for the speedo to work. Another thing is I got a fucking upgrade on the bike. Now, for the longest time, it's been like a few months of me riding. As a matter of fact, it's been over a year now, realistically. And I'm getting kind of sick of the 125s. I want more power, of course. The problem is, insurance is a bitch, so I can't do shit till I'm 24. So to get any more power out of this, I've done a sprocket change on the bike. Originally, I wanted 2 teeth down on the front, or the extra torque. Obviously, it's at the cost of top end speed, but that's fine. I also got them to order me 2 sprockets down and a new chain, because the chain was kind of going. It was just stretching every week. So I was like, fuck it. If I'm doing a sprocket change, I might as well do the chain instead of keep coming back every week to get it tightened. Whilst they were fitting it, they gave me a call saying the front sprocket just doesn't exist for 2 teeth. They had to do only 1 teeth down. And I can't lie, it's a very noticeable difference. The bike is a lot more torqueier. Since I've had the sprocket change, it's been about a week now. I'm getting reused to the bike a little bit. It's like literally police central around here. I'm not trying to get a fucking ticket on my 125. Highest speed I've managed to get on this bike was 70, so including the 10% was about 65, which I'm more than happy about. I can't imagine what 2 teeth would have been down like. It would have been even more tall. Probably like 55 top end. Kinda glad I didn't go for that. I'm glad that that wasn't an option. So last Saturday, me and my mate Dave went to a Fusion's bike meet. All the way up. It's close to Peterborough area. It's a bit more south, I think. It took us about an hour and like, what, 40 minutes to get there. I mean, I was zooming as fast as I could. I can't lie. We ran into like torrential rain at one point on one of the A roads. We managed to outrun it a little bit by like, I want to say about an hour maybe. When we got there, we chilled. We met Fusion. Hey, man. Nice to meet you. You alright? Well, I'm pretty sure he already knew Fusion. I met Fusion for the first time. Chill dude. We parked up our bikes on the grass. There was a VIP area. And that's kind of where I chilled. Because we know a guy called Jixie that's there. And Dave and him are like best mates. We got to chill with him. Basically the whole day in the VIP section, it was quite nice, I can't lie. Under the gazebo whilst it was pissing it down. It was a blessing, I can't lie. But yeah, there was loads of fucking sick bikes that came on. There was a bunch of R1s, there was an R1M. I think there was 2 Ducatis. There was an older Ducati, which sadly I didn't get a picture of. And there was a naked Ducati. It was beautiful. There was a bunch of R6s. Here's some of the photos that I got. Man, I fucking love these. Just for future references, if anyone sees me at a bike meet and wants a photo, just come and ask me. I don't mind. All the photos when I go to an event are free. Could not give a fuck. I just want to take pictures. I love it. Obviously, I want to do something with photography, making money wise, because that'd be really fucking good. I need that. But for now, any events that I go to, especially this year, are all going to be free. Ooh, that's a nice 1,000. I don't even know what that was. That looks like a. I don't even know what that was actually. I don't know. But yeah, I met Jay-Z again, which is nice. And nice to see all the boys on the 125s. Hey, he was the only one that was pulling madnesses on the bike. One thing, man, I don't know why, but my mind goes severely fucking blank when I meet you, bro. I can't talk for shit. I don't know what it is, because it doesn't affect me in my day-to-day life or speaking to anyone else. But when I go to a bike meet, I don't know. It's like fucking anxiety kicks in like mad. I don't understand it. Bro's fucking doing donuts in the grass whilst it was wet. What a madman. But yeah, also one of the main reasons I went, apart from all of those, apart from meeting Fusion, seeing all the 125, seeing all the other beautiful bikes, obviously the opportunity to take more pictures, was for that beautiful fucking wheelie machine. Unfortunately, the guy, quote unquote, they said they broke down. So unfortunately, it didn't arrive. I was really looking forward to going on it. I could not give a fuck how much it was going to be. I wanted to try it, but unfortunately it didn't come. It was also raining, I want to say at least 40% of the time. But apart from that, it was incredible, mate. The food was amazing. It was a bit of a scam. I can't lie. I mean, they kind of always are in these events, but the fucking burgers that I had there, woo, fucking incredible. I can't lie.
That wasn't even redline.
That wasn't even redlining. But anyways, the event was beautiful. I'm glad I attended. super chill. Everyone's super nice. Alright. I've seen a few roadmen ride past here on some Surons. And just a few that are walking about. I just don't want to get nicked, you know how it is. Only problem is as well here, there's a bunch of fucking gravel. There's just a bunch of little stones everywhere, but oh, bless him, man. He needs to get a bike. Fuck all that elytra shit. I don't think he had any on. I think it was just a shit. But yeah, this is the strip. This is it. Let me pop this motherfucker up. Or at least try to. ABS is off, which is nice.
At this point, I was just a bit scared of the front sprocket still, because the bike does want to pop up, which is really nice. So I was just trying to go slow with it at first. I was trying to establish some control so I don't send the bike into a ditch.
Oh, there we go. Honestly, this probably doesn't even look like I even popped it a single fucking bit on the video. I've been able to at least get the wheel off the ground consistently, which is really fucking nice. The next thing that I keep seeing everybody do, literally standing up on the pegs, bouncing the bike off the pegs, not just the bars, because that's how I keep fucking up my bars. Bouncing it, and whilst it's down, while the forks are compressed, clutch in, rev, and let go as soon as it comes up, and then, see, this is the thing, also body positioning. This is what I'm a little scared of, you know. Bro, I've not fucking wheeled anything apart from a skewer.
Alright, so this is the progress so far. This is a couple days later compared to the last clips. One of the main things people keep telling me is I need to lean back, and from looking at the videos, clearly I just need to lean back. Compared to a few months ago, I could barely get the wheel off the ground, and now there is slight improvement, which I'm happy with. Now that the front sprocket has been changed, just need to put in the seat time, and in a few months I'll probably be laughing about these clips.